comment mash up. Hopefully everybody enjoys. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you're waiting for. Been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. It's fire, it's freedom, it's love and open. It's a picture in the pulpit, in your bad devotion. It's something everyone that's holding on tonight. So tell me, do you wanna go? We're going all the nights. We're the runaways, running the night. Impossible come true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the creation. We light up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the creation. Come on, come on, come in, come on. To anyone who first lived with a dream. Come on, you give it all. To anyone who's searching for ways to break free. It will become so fancy, it's more than you just ever be. You're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in. You're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. Another round, bullets hit my skin. Gonna fire away, 'cause today I won't let this shit sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. We are warriors, yeah, but we become. I won't let them break me down, because I know that there's a place for us. For your glory tonight, all I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It's not impossible. Say that's impossible. Say that's impossible. When the sharp breeze would have cut me down, and one sail's flock gonna drown a man. This is brave, this is Bruce, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.